Have you ever wondered how cleaning your home would be without the trusty vacuum cleaner? Before the convenience of modern vacuums, the late 1800s saw bulky hand-operated devices that required not just effort, but an extra pair of hands. It was Hubert Cecil Booth, a British engineer, who first introduced the motor-powered vacuum in 1901, changing the cleaning game forever. Fast forward to the 21st century, we now have sleek, robot vacuums that can clean your home autonomously, even when you're not around. Such transformations underscore not only a shift in technology, but highlight a significant change in how we value efficiency and automation at home. So what do you think? Could a device this innovative be replaced, and by what futuristic technology?